Hello Keystone Nation, I'm Scott Taylor, Product Manager of the Cougar Division here at Keystone RV. You're probably wondering why I'm holding this cute little puppy. Well, that actually makes two of us. But that's neither here nor there. I'm actually here to show you the all-new 357 UMR, which stands for Utility Mudroom. And by the way, it has a mudroom shower, pet-friendly as well. So let's go check this thing out. I'm standing in the 357 UMR, which stands for Utility Mudroom. Before I show you the entire trailer, I really have to give you kind of a background of why we came out with this floor plan. This all came about during shutdown and COVID last year. And we sat around and we talked with our engineers and what can we come up with that may be more user-friendly, if you will, for maybe an extended stay. More and more people were able to work out of their home. So that camping trip that was maybe Friday, Saturday, go home Sunday, now is Wednesday to Sunday. So let's give them more space. Let's give campers more space and a whole extra room that they can utilize in many ways. And we'll get to how you can utilize that room. And again, hence the utility mudroom. But before I do that, I really want to showcase the living room and kitchen area because we've got some dynamite features in here. Okay, Keystone Nation, let's get through this trailer. Here's where we're at. We're right here standing in the living room. Let me go over some key features here. First off, obviously a must is theater seats, right? Not only are they heat and massage, they also have a nice little storage compartment for your remotes and a USB charging station. But the most important thing is it is right across from the 50-inch 4K Ultra TV. And of course, you've got the 5000 BTU electric fireplace. That's not just for ambiance, it will heat this trailer as well. Let's say you have some guests over, or maybe you don't want them to know this, but you do have a pull-out trifold sleeper sofa as well, and it will sleep two adults very comfortably. Moving up above that, again, storage is a must in a floor plan like this, and you have tons of overhead storage. Okay, so talking about the dinette here, this is something we've done, or one of the features of this dinette we've been doing for some time now, and customers really love the fact that you can actually slide this table back and forth. If you guys like me and you need a little bit more belly room, that's an awesome feature. But the new feature that we added for the fall of 2020, we got rid of that awful pedestal underneath the table. No more knee knocker. Customers wanted more leg room, and that's exactly what we did. That's exactly what we gave to them. Now, while we're down here, I want to point out the woven flooring. No more carpet. Customers said, get rid of carpet. It stains. It's awful. Well, the other way to do this is put linoleum down here. The problem with linoleum is it bunches up and it'll crease, and that is not what you want in your trailer. So the new woven flooring, it's just that. It will not get dirty. Or it does. It is easy to clean. But it also has this extra padding on the back of it, which makes it incredibly durable. Much better than the other two options. Okay, let's finish up with the rest of the kitchen here. Over here, wait a second. Hold on, we'll get to that. I want to talk about refrigerators. We have two different options here on refrigerators on our full-size Cougar. We have your 12 cubic foot gas electric RV refrigerator, but we also have what we added in the fall is this new 16 cubic foot residential refrigerator that also comes with that 2000 watt inverter as well. That way you can actually run it off your batteries as you're going down the road, and it's the safest way to do that. Okay? Island. Solid surface countertops. Double bowl sink. Why double bowl? Because if you're washing dishes, you need to wash and rinse. But check out the storage we have in this as well. 4 drawers plus spot for your sink covers, and you've got a spot for your trash can as well, which is an absolute must. Now, if you come around to the end of the island here, this is a new feature that we just added to our islands in the fall as well. This is our beverage center. Now, that being said, we've also seen customers that are putting blankets in there, maybe dry pet food as well. Our Cougar customers are creative. You'll think of a good use for it, but it was intended for a beverage center. Appliances. Every full-size Cougar comes standard with the 30-inch residential over-the-range microwave, along with the 3-burner 22-inch Furrion oven. Now, also check out the storage you have here, and this is a great spot for paper towels or even spice rack, if you will. Coming along here, I kind of skipped this earlier. I already told you about the 50-inch 4K Ultra TV and the electric fireplace. But what I forgot to mention is, look at all the extra storage. You've got drawers, you've got more storage up there. And then of course, you've got all this extra space here, which could couple as a second pantry. Well, I'm so excited to show you the extra storage behind the TV, which what I call the second pantry, that I kind of forgot to show you the main pantry. Check how large this pantry is. And then you've got more space up there as well. It is a very, very deep pantry. Actually, plenty of space for all your food goods, of course, and you can fit small appliances in there as well. Now, before we get to what helped us win 2 awards on this floor plan, and that's the actual mudroom, I want to show you the bedroom and the bathroom as well, so follow me. On the way to the bedroom, let's stop and check out this spacious bathroom. This comes with a 38 by 50 walk-in shower that actually has a seat incorporated into it as well, triple sliding glass doors, huge linen closet, and new for this year is our vanity with 3 drawers and a spot for a trash can. Coming into the master bedroom in the 357 UMR, this particular one is equipped with a king bed. Standard is queen, but most customers opt for the king bed in this particular floor plan. Along the sides of the bed are 2 windows, 2 opposing windows that do open for that cross ventilation. And of course, directly across from the bed, you have a large dresser, 2 large drawers, of course 2 sock drawers, and then a heck of a spot for a big TV right here in your bedroom. In our full closet here is what we call our little nightstand over here with an inverted outlet and a 12-volt charging station. That inverted outlet allows you to run a CPAP if you're off the grid, which is an awesome feature for Cougar. Cougars come standard with a 15,000 BTU Q Series AC and an optional second AC up here in the bedroom that is ducted and also a Q Series AC. What does Q Series mean? It means just that. It is very, very quiet. After running various tests on how quiet and efficient the Q Series AC is, our engineering lab rated it as quiet and as efficient as a whisper quiet air found in luxury fifth wheel brands. However, high-performance air conditioners are only as good as the systems that deliver the cool air to your coach. That's why Keystone's engineering lab designed the all-new patent blade air handling system. This new system completely re-engineered the RV ductwork and vent system to deliver an average of 20% more cooling power than the competition. One key component of the Blade AC system is the new Blade vent diffusers right here. Normal AC vent diffusers are designed to disperse air in one direction, leaving hot and cold spots in your trailer. This Blade diffuser delivers 360 degrees of air circulation, which eliminates those unwanted hot and cold spots. After all, prime camping season is the middle of summer. Isn't it important to keep your trailer cool in those really hot months? All right, now for the best part of the 357 UMR. Let's go check out that mudroom. Hey, Cooper, come on. On our way back, be sure to check out this amazing barn door that we have. This is what I've been waiting to show you. This one room right here is the reason why we won 2 awards last fall, one from RV Pro and one from RV News as well, best floor plans in its segment. I want to show you a lot of features in here. First, starting as this huge utility pantry, if you will. And here's why I call it utility. One, this has a spot for a stackable washer and dryer or combination or combo washer, or maybe it's just an extra spot, more pantry space, more big appliances, if you will. We also have a shelf up here. But what's great about this cabinet is all 3 of those shelves adjust up and down. We have all different types of customers with all different needs that camp in our campers. Some customers are weekenders. Some customers are full-timers. Some customers work out of this trailer, maybe in an oil field area or traveling nurses, what have you. So again, another creative area, that a utility area that you'll be able to use in so many different ways. Now come check out the rest of this mudroom. Over here, as you can see, we have got the one-of-a-kind pet-friendly utility shower. Now, a couple great things about this. First off, look at the size of it, right? But it's not just for pets. Yes, it's pet-friendly, but if you notice this bar here too, this is Also great for those campers that have some maybe handicap needs, right? How about those campers that are coming off the beach and they want to come in and wash their feet off? They can simply do that right here. Or if they're out in the mud, they want to wash their boots off. That's what this shower is for, okay? As you walk in, you'll see, again, we've got a second entrance to this trailer, so you can walk right into your mudroom, which is what you want. As you walk in, you've got a spot for your coats, spot for keys, or of course you can just throw them right here on the table and use this as your catch-all. Now, as I said earlier, we do have a lot of campers that can work out of their trailer. What a great spot for a desk, right? And also some overheads as well. Whoops, one thing I did forget in the mudroom shower itself, we also have this clothesline, which is great for hanging towels, hanging clothes to dry, or just hanging anything that you need to hang in there in the utility mudroom shower. Thanks for taking the time to walk through the 357 UMR with us today. If you like the look and you like the features you see but are curious to other floor plans, please click on the link below in the description to check out all offerings of our Cougar floor plans. Thank you, Cougar Nation. Happy camping.